Hello, lovely people. It is your number one RN again, right here, KA underscore selected on TikTok and on YouTube. It is RN Glory. All right, it's question and answer time once again. So, from my DM, I have Shalom, and he's saying that I'm in the process of getting my ATT for the NCLEX. Hopefully, by the end of the month, I should get it. Please, can you help me on how to go about preparing for the exams? All right, so Shalom, congratulations on going through the process and awaiting your ATT. So, the preparation you need to do to write the NCLEX is normally subjective to the individual. First of all, I can recommend some learning materials for you, like the Sounders 9th edition, which is very good for building content. I can recommend McKay audios for you. He has 12 audios. They are very good, self-explanatory, you can use. I can also recommend his yellow blue book for you. I can recommend U World, Archer, Rima Quick Facts for you. These are books and materials that a lot of people have used to actually help them excel or pass their NCLEX. There is this lady on YouTube called RN Sarah, who was my always last to go person whenever I encountered any difficulty in understanding any topic. How do you learn yourself? You have to know yourself, how you learn and learn best. So, are you somebody who just learn by listening? Are you somebody who learn by reading or watching? Are you audio or audiovisual? Depending on you, make good use of the YouTube videos or the audios in listening. Again, in dedicating time to learn is a gradual process. So initially, if you have completed school for a long time, it's going to be difficult. So you start by choosing a time that is convenient for you to learn. Then you choose a duration. So for instance, since your ATT is not in and you are building your content right now, you can start by doing minimum 2 hours a day. Remember, in these 2 hours, it's either at a sitting or you take a break and continue. But remember, in the day, you're going to do 2 hours. Now, give yourself a week. Progress from 2 hours to 3 hours, 3 hours to 4 hours, and then you go up. By the time your ATT comes, you should be hitting 6 hours a day to learn, depending on how you grab your concepts and all that sort of. Again, you have to quit a lot of stuff like social media, for instance. Facebook is a tip of time. You go there to read some few comments and before you realize it's 2 hours. So you have to actually do away with that. And again, you have to start watching some of your favorite TV program because you have to make way for yourself to learn. Okay, so this is the little advice I can give you. If you are somebody who loves to learn in groups, there are groups. I have a group that is ongoing for June cohorts. You can join. If you don't excel in groups too, then you're going to do it by yourself. I think with this, you should be able to prepare for your exams and pass. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please help me build my channel. It's RN Glory _K&A, and on TikTok is KA_selected. Thank you, and see you in my next video.